Right. So welcome to my class, everyone. Right. Good morning, everybody. Right. So my name is Ramesh. I have 13 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. Right. Now coming to our topic. So what is our topic today? So our topic today is introduction of Angular. Okay. And before that, what is our course? Okay. Angular with TypeScript. Already TypeScript videos also available. So I will give you the TypeScript videos also. Okay. Right. So now today onwards, we are going to start with Angular. So before going to learn this Angular, what are the prerequisites? What are the prerequisites? So to learn this Angular course, we should have knowledge on HTML, whatever the version may be. So latest version is version 5. CSS, whatever the version may be, latest version is 3, CSS 3. And you should have knowledge on either JavaScript or TypeScript. Okay, right. Or else if you don't have knowledge, no need to worry. Already in this course, I'm providing already TypeScript videos. Okay, TypeScript videos also I'm providing with you, so you can go through them. Right. Or else if we have any other language, oops concepts. If you know any other language oops concepts also, it will be good for you. Okay, everybody, these are all the prerequisites. We should have knowledge on HTML5 because we are going to utilize that HTML also in this course. Okay, we are okay, right, and CSS3 and JavaScript or TypeScript. But here in this course, I am providing you TypeScript videos for you. Okay, right, or else any other language oops concepts also, it will be fine for you. Any other language oops concepts, you know, also you can understand the Angular very easily. Is this point clear, everyone? Clear as what?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these are all the prerequisites.
JavaScript is not mandatory. Right?
JavaScript knowledge you should have. Okay, because TypeScript also developed by JavaScript, right? So JavaScript knowledge also should have. If you don't have JavaScript, at least basic knowledge, you should have knowledge about OOPS concepts. Okay.
Oh,
Hello. Yeah, JavaScript knowledge is mandatory actually. Okay. Right. Right, these are all the things, and the duration will be 2 months easily. It will take easily 2 months. Okay, right. And Monday to Friday only classes, Saturday, Sunday holiday, daily 1 hour class, daily same time 7 to 8. Okay, everybody. So this is about this course, right? So now coming to our topic today, you know, this is the introduction classes. So this is the starting classes. In the starting classes only introduction can be possible. Only introduction can be possible. So today our topic is introduction to Angular. Angular introduction. Angular introduction. Angular introduction. So what is Angular? What is Angular? Introduction means what? What is Angular? So Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework. Okay, Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework developed by Google company using TypeScript language TypeScript language. Okay, everybody, Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework developed by Google company using TypeScript language. Okay, everybody, right? I will discuss about this TypeScript. What is TypeScript? Little bit later. Okay, right. So first, let me focus on this. client side, okay, and this framework. So we have in the software industry we have two types of technologies. Please put everybody mute. Please keep everybody mute. So we have two types of technologies. In the software industry, we have two types of technologies, client-side technologies and server-side technologies. So as per your knowledge, respond, what is the difference between client-side and server-side technologies? Hello. What is the difference between client-side and server-side technologies? Okay. Yeah. Okay, right. Now I will tell my one point. See, I am very interactive faculty. If you know anything, if you speak, it will be good. Okay, right. But don't be silent, because if you silent means faculty won't understand. Are you listening to the class or not, like that? Okay, right. So now coming to this client side versus server side technologies. What is the difference between them? So the major difference between client side and server side technologies are, by using server side technologies, we can store our data permanently. We can store our data permanently. What is that? By using server side technologies, we can store our data permanently. Okay, how we can store our data permanently? Very simple. If you want to store your data permanently, we need to store the data in a database. We need to store the data in a database. Okay, we need to store the data in a database. Since we are storing the data in a database, that will be permanent until and unless you delete it manually. Okay, right. And the thing is, that is a server side technology, and you are storing in the data in the database. So everybody who uses your application will see the same data. For example, if you open amazon.in, if you search for shoes, everybody will see the same type of data, same brand, same shoes. Understanding it? Or else if you search by any brand also, you will find same type of shoes. Understanding or not? Respond everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because they are storing the
Yes,
data
sir.
in a, yeah, they are storing the data in a database, so that everybody in the world can see the same data. Okay. But by using client side technology, what happens? We cannot store our data permanently. We can store our data temporarily. That is also only in that particular user's computer. Only in that particular user's computer. So if you store your data, if you are storing data in any particular user's computer, only that person can see that data. Only that person can see the data. Okay, not entire world. So okay, that is the difference. So client side technologies means we cannot store our data permanently. We can store our data temporarily only. We can store our data temporarily only. Give me 1 second, please. Yeah, we can store our data temporarily only. That is also not in the entire every entire persons in the world. Okay, all the persons in the world cannot see the same information. Only that particular user can see his information. Okay, so that means if you are storing that information in any user's particular in any particular user's computers, only that person can see that. Only in that particular computer only the data will be available. Only in that particular computer only the data will be available. Okay, so that is the difference between client side and server side technologies. Clear, right, everyone? What is the difference? Please respond, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, right,
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
Okay, right. Right. Now coming to this, what type of technology it is? It is a framework. See, remember, Angular is not a language. It is a framework. Okay, it is a framework. Right. Nowadays, in most of the software companies are using frameworks or libraries to develop their application. Forget about libraries. Focus on frameworks only. Okay, because this is a framework. Right. So here my question is, why software companies are preferring frameworks nowadays to develop their application? Why they are preferring frameworks nowadays to develop their application? Any
To,
idea?
to
Yes,
improve
sir,
their,
because work provides lot of predefined reusable component which can be utilized.
Okay,
like any project.
Rapid development.
okay, right.
Using
So
framework,
yeah,
it is easier to manage your code.
okay, right. Yeah, everybody responded in a good manner, and yes, all your points are valid. Okay, so here also I will tell my own opinion. Okay, right. So if you are developing an application, as a developer, you should take care of three things. Okay, one is performance, security, and SEO friendly URLs. Okay, performance, security, and SEO friendly URLs. Why we should take care of these three things? For example, you are the owner of PhonePe. You are the owner of PhonePe. Okay, I want to transfer 20 rupees for a curry point because okay, I want to transfer 20 rupees for a curry point. Okay, I have purchased a curry from a curry point and I want to transfer 20 rupees. So here I'm using your application. You are the owner. Okay, you have developed that PhonePe. So I am using that your application. Okay, I want to transfer 20 rupees. I'm transferring, but it is taking 2 hours time to transfer 20 rupees. So is anybody encourages your application? Either that a curry person, curry point owner, or else me also, because I need to spend 2 hours are there only because I need to pay the 20 rupees and he has to wait for the 20 rupees 2 hours. Right, everyone? So anybody encourages your application? Respond, please.
No,
See,
No.
hello. No,
no, no.
No,
okay.
sir.
You are transferring 20 rupees for a career point. It is taking 2 hours time to transfer 20 rupees. So anybody encourages your application? Definitely no. Why? Because they need to wait 2 hours for 20 rupees. Okay, right. So here what is happening here? Your application performance is very poor. Your application performance is very poor. It is very loading, very it is working very slowly. So if your application is slow, okay, nobody encourages your application. Okay, irrespective of the number of the users, if they are using say 1 crore 100 crores people persons are using 100 crores users are using your application, and at the same time 110 crores people are using at the same time, but it doesn't matter, your application should work very fastly. Okay, very faster. Okay, that is one reason. Okay, so as a developer you should focus on the performance. That is first reason. Okay, right. And the second one is what is that? Security. Why we should take care of security? Why? Because suppose same again you are transferring 20,000, so this time you are transferring 20,000 rupees for your friend. Okay, so it is transferring within 1 minute, within 10 seconds only. Within 10 seconds, the money is transferring. It's okay. Okay, within 10 seconds, the money is transferring. Okay, but in this 10 seconds, somebody hacked your application, that PhonePe. Okay, hacked that session and he theft that 20,000. He theft that 20,000. So anybody against your application? Respond, everyone. Same PhonePe, you are the owner, and I'm using I'm using your application. I am transferring 20,000 rupees to my friend, but within 10 seconds it is transferring. It's okay, but in this 10 seconds also somebody is hacking that process. Yeah, anybody uses our application? Respond.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No.
Definitely no. Why?
What's
Because it is not secure. It is not secure. So we should take, yeah. So your application must be secure. Then only users your application. Though it is secure, it should work faster. So your application should be faster. Your application should be secure also. We cannot tell which is important. Why? Because suppose there is a bank, it is very secure, but it is taking 2 hours time to transfer money. But there is other person, other bank also there. Okay, that is also secure, but it is transferring money within 20 seconds. So what other persons will do? Everybody definitely open account in that bank also. Okay, if they are providing the same features, okay, then everybody closes your account in your bank and everybody opens in others account in others bank only account. They will open account in others bank one. Why? Because they are, it is faster and secure. We cannot decide which is important. Okay, if your application is very secure but it is not fast, means if anybody providing faster and secure, then everybody prefers that. Your application is faster but not secure means definitely everybody will go to the secure application only. Okay, so we cannot decide which is very important. Both are very important, faster and secure. Okay, right. For money purpose, security is little bit more. Okay, right. That's it. So and SEO friendly URLs. Why we should focus on SEO friendly URLs? So what is SEO? Search engine, okay, optimization. Okay, what is that? Search engine optimization. So why we should focus? For example, this time we are doing a movie news portal. Okay, you are doing some entertainment portal. Always your application purpose is just posting some political news and film news like that. Okay, right. Okay, so what happens? Nobody knows your application directly. They will say something in the Google. For example, where's Reddy movie review, Walter Veria movie review. That is the latest news, right, in Telugu industry. Okay, so or else Balakrishna Unstoppable show. Okay, Pawan Kalani in Unstoppable 2. Something like that they will search in the Google. Understanding my point? That's one everybody. Something like that they will search in the Google. In that case your application should come in the first place and first page or not. Respond everybody. Your application should come in the first page and that is also in the first place or not. Respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so in order to come, if you want, if your application should come in the first place in the Google or else any search engine results means you should go for search engine optimization, SEO. You should go for SEO, search engine optimization. So that search engine optimization depends upon friendly URLs also. That's that search engine optimization depends upon URLs also. Okay, titles and all those things also very important. So in that case, you should generate okay SEO friendly URLs. As a programmer, you should generate SEO friendly URLs. Okay, so as a developer, yeah, please put everybody mute. Please put everybody mute. Please keep everybody mute. So, okay, so as a developer, we should focus on these 3 points: faster, okay, performance, security, and SEO friendly URLs. So as a developer, since you need to focus on these 3 points mainly. So okay, so if you choose any core language, if you choose any core language, if you choose any core language, minimum it will take 3 to 6 months time. Okay, to develop that related application related structure, whether it may have faster purpose, secure purpose, SEO friendly URLs purpose. To generate that type of structure, to generate or to give that basic structure, okay, minimum it will take 3 to 6 months time. But rather than that, if we choose any framework, what happens? Within 1 or 2 minutes we can download that framework. Within 15 to 20 minutes we can change the basic settings and immediately we can start our application. And that framework will provide basic structure for our performance related things, secure related things, and SEO friendly URLs related things also. SEO friendly URLs related things also. But to core language, it is taking minimum 3 to 6 months time. Core language, it is taking 3 to 6 months time. What is that? Only performance related things, security related things, SEO friendly related things only. Okay, understanding that my point? Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Minimum it is taking 3 to 6 months time. Minimum it is taking 3 to 6 months time. Okay, but if you choose any core framework, within 1 or 2 minutes we can download it, and 10 to 15 minutes we can change the basic settings, and immediately we can start our business logic. So which one you will prefer? You will wait 3 to 6 months time, or else 10 to 15 minutes you will start our business logic. That's one everybody.
10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes. So that's why everybody is preferring framework nowadays. So they will give some basic structure. Previously one person told we can manage our code very easily. Okay, something like that, right? So they will give where they will divide that application into parts, where to write a database related queries, where to write a view page related code, where to write a business logic and all those things, so that it is very easy to manage. So that's why, and for programmer also and the others also, it is very easy, and your application, okay, will be secure also, and your application will be faster also, your application will be standards also. Okay, for example, if you choose any core language, what happens? If you choose any core language, what happens? You can write your application very securely, very faster. Though it will take time, but you can write like that. Or else, very basic level also you can develop your application. Very without security, without performance, normal code also we can write. So by using core language, both ways we can develop. Very cheap level coding, very high level coding also we can write. But by using framework, we cannot write cheap level coding. Why? Because they will divide into so many parts. So if you want to print single letter also, we need to follow that process. We need to follow that process. Since we are following that process, okay, that application developed in standards only, because every framework follows some standards. Since you are utilizing the same framework which is following the standards, automatically your application will be also in standards. Understand it, everybody? Suppose you are sitting on a flight, you are not driving, but somebody is driving. Not only he, you also will fly or not? Respond, everyone. Hello.
Yes,
You
sir.
are sitting on an
Yes.
aeroplane.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So somebody is driving that. So who is driving? Only he will fly, or else you also will fly. Definitely you also will fly. Why? Because you are also in the same aeroplane. Like that. Okay. That framework is following some standards, and you are utilizing the same framework. So automatically your application will be in standards, because that framework also is following the standards. So that is the 4 reasons. Okay, your application is faster, your application is secure, and your application have SEO friendly URLs. Not only that, your application has have some standards also. Okay, so that's why they are preferring it. Clear it, everyone? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So this is about this. So what type of framework it is? Client-side framework. Since it is a client-side framework, we should not connect with the database. Since it is a client-side framework, we should not connect with the database. Why? Because all the client-side technologies will display our database-related things to the user. What is our? Of course, we are not able to connect also. But if it is providing that option also, if Angular is providing an option to connect with the database also, we should not connect. Why? It will display our database related URL, and what is our username, what is our password, everything it will display. Everything it will display to the user. So that's why we should not connect with the database by using Angular. Clear it, everyone? Is this point clear, everybody? Respond, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So this is about this. Okay, this is about this. Okay, right. Now, which company developed this? Google company. Which company developed this? Google company. By using which language? TypeScript language. That means what we need to understand, every framework should developed by any language only. Okay, every framework should develop by any other language only. That means framework developed by using any core language only. That means what happens actually is, suppose you know Java very well, or else I know JavaScript very well. Think like that. So I am working 10 to 15 years in software industry. Since I am working in 10 to 15 years in software industry, I know business requirements very well. Okay, so that what I will do, I will optimize the JavaScript in my own way. I will customize the JavaScript in my own way. Okay, to fulfill the business requirements, and I will keep in the internet for free. So, okay, depends upon the features I'm providing, that will divide into framework or library only. If you are providing more options, more inbuilt for methods, and more application related structure, then that will be treated as framework. Less features means library only. Okay, less size, all those things is library only. Okay, right. So that this Google persons also, they know how to develop an application, they know the business requirements also. So to fulfill that requirements, they have chosen this TypeScript language, and they have optimized it in their own way. They have customized it in their own way. So they have named it as Angular. Okay, understand it, everybody? So Google company has chosen this TypeScript language, and they have developed this Angular framework to fulfill our business requirements. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Hello.
Sir, one question is there. Hello.
Ah,
Just
tell me.
I wanted to know, is there any difference between Angular and Angular JS?
Who is
Or both?
this? Your name?
Sheetal Patil.
Sheetal. Okay. Right. So Angular JS is a library, that is the first version, that is developed by JavaScript language. Okay, Sheetal. That is developed by JavaScript language. And
Okay.
okay, Angular is a framework, that is not a library, because it is providing more options. And one more thing is it is developed by TypeScript. Yes, they both are completely different. Okay,
Okay.
Sheetal? They both
Okay,
are
sir.
completely okay. Right.
Thank you.
Yes.
Sir, one
They
question.
both are,
What's the
yeah.
difference between library and framework, sir?
I told you it very simple, Prakash. Library provides less features. Framework provides more features. Like predefined things are more like that. Okay, right. Hello. And library is very lesser size. Framework is little bit more size comparatively. Uh, okay, library.
Sir,
Okay.
one question. I just joined.
Yes.
So I just want to know, sir, the prerequisites HTML, CSS, JavaScript is there, sir. So not having an idea and getting jumping directly to Angular is that okay, or like we should have an no complete working knowledge on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript?
Once. Yes. See, definitely the thing is you should have knowledge, at least basic knowledge on HTML and CSS and
Oh,
JavaScript. At least basic knowledge you should have. And in this course, I am providing TypeScript videos. Okay, Harsha. Hello.
okay, okay, sir. Yeah.
TypeScript videos I'm providing you. Okay. And though I am starting Angular classes directly, but I will give you TypeScript videos after making payment. Okay, that is
Okay.
one thing. And
Okay.
if you don't have this knowledge, any other language, oops, concepts, knowledge, if you have also, you can understand it. Angular, okay, you can understand it. Okay, I
Okay.
don't guarantee because that is purely depends upon the student. Somebody, okay, without any prior knowledge, also they will understand the things very easily. Okay, somebody they cannot. So okay, so but if you know any other, so as a faculty what I can suggest to you is, if you know Java oops concepts or as PHP oops concepts, .NET oops concepts, any other language oops concepts, easily you can understand this Angular framework. Okay, Harsha, that much I
Okay.
can issue. Okay,
Yeah, I got it.
right.
One more question, please, sir. One more question. Sir, uh, for our syllabus, Angular 8 is there. So Angular 14 and Angular 8. Means for our syllabus, Angular 8 is there.
Yeah, Angular 14, Shetal, see, don't get confused, forget about the versions. Okay, they
Okay.
will change by every 6 months, so that is not important. Angular 8, Angular 14 or something like that. Yeah, Angular, that's it. Okay, so I will teach the latest version only. Okay,
Okay, sir.
always I will teach the latest version only. Right.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any other questions? Right. So okay, this is about this framework. This is about this framework. Okay, so they have developed by TypeScript language only. They have developed this TypeScript language only. Okay, so Google company has chosen this TypeScript language, and they have developed this Angular framework to fulfill the business requirements. To fulfill the business requirements. Okay, everybody, right? Now coming to this TypeScript, we should know at least basic knowledge about TypeScript. That's why I'm providing TypeScript videos for you. Okay, right? So what is TypeScript? Because it is developed by TypeScript language, right? So we should know about this. What is TypeScript? TypeScript is nothing but superset of JavaScript. Superset of JavaScript. Okay, what is that? TypeScript is nothing but superset of JavaScript. What is superset of JavaScript? Superset of JavaScript means modified version of JavaScript or extended part of JavaScript. Clear it, everybody? Superset of JavaScript means what? Modified version of JavaScript or extended part of JavaScript. So, which company developed this? Who developed this? Microsoft company. TypeScript is nothing but superset of JavaScript developed by Microsoft. Who is this? Microsoft persons has developed this. So Microsoft people, okay, we know Bill Gates, all those things. Okay, they are very innovative. So Microsoft people has taken this JavaScript and they have optimized it in their own way and they have named it as TypeScript language. So that means this TypeScript also derived from developed by using JavaScript only. So that's why I have written here JavaScript here. JavaScript or TypeScript. If you know directly TypeScript, it's okay. Or else if you know any JavaScript knowledge, it's okay. Or else easily if you know any other loops concepts also, easily can understand about this Angular framework. So okay, forget about that. Now coming to this part, they have used this JavaScript language to develop this TypeScript language. And by using this TypeScript language, they have developed this Angular. Now tell me who is the owner of Angular, Google or Microsoft? Respond everybody. Google or Microsoft? Who is the owner of Angular?
Google.
Google only. Okay. Why? Okay. Why? Because they have developed this Angular. Okay. Microsoft people are owner for only TypeScript. They are not owner of the Angular. For example, if you develop an application by using Java language, you develop a banking application or something like that. So who will be the owner? You will be the owner, not the Java developer. That means who developed Java language, not that person. Who developed code for your application purpose, that person is the owner. Clear it, everybody? Hello. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, like that they have taken this JavaScript. Microsoft people has taken this JavaScript language and they have named it as TypeScript. They have modified into their own way, in their own way. Okay, in their own way. Okay, right, and they have named it as TypeScript. And Google company taken this TypeScript language and they have developed this Angular framework. Okay, so if you modified into some other form, suppose you have taken A into your hand and you have converted into B, understanding? So now there will be difference between A and B or not? Respond everybody. Respond.
Yes.
You have taken A into your hand and you have converted into B. There will be difference or not? Yes, there will be differences. Like that, this Microsoft people has taken the JavaScript into their own hands and they have converted into TypeScript. So if anything is converted means there will be definitely some differences. So what are the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript? So tomorrow class I will discuss this. Okay, tomorrow class I will discuss about what is the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript and about this MVC structure and how Angular works, all those things. Tomorrow class I will discuss, and day after tomorrow onwards we will start our Angular classes. Okay, that means we'll install Angular class. We will install Angular in the student's computer. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hello.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
first 1 or 2 days, first 1 and 2 days only I will teach very theoretically. Then onwards I will teach very practically. I'm very practical trainer. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I'm very practical manner. So everything will be in practical manner. Okay, but first 2 days it will be only theoretical because directly cannot write examples. If you write directly examples, you cannot understand. So that's why first 2 days what is Angular and how it developed, all those things I will teach. Then onwards I will teach practical. Okay, right. So who will join lately for themselves? I'm telling Monday to Friday only classes, Saturday Sunday holiday. Okay, daily 1 hour class timings, and I don't have any pre-written material. Remember this, I don't have any pre-written material. Whatever the notes is required, definitely I will give it in the class only. Okay, but I don't have any pre-written material. Okay, and the duration will be 2 to 2.5 months. Minimum it will take 2 months. Okay, everyone, right? That's it. Thank you. Tomorrow we meet and we'll continue. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you.